Do you want to speak English confidently in your daily life? Then you're in the right place. In today's story, you'll learn useful English sentences through the daily life of a teacher named John. Listen carefully, repeat every sentence, and try to imagine each scene. Let's begin. My name is John, and I am a school teacher. Every morning, my alarm rings at 6 a.m. Although I sometimes feel sleepy, I get out of bed with a smile because I love my job. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make a warm cup of tea. While enjoying my tea, I check my phone for important messages and prepare my lessons for the day. After having breakfast with my family, I wear a neat shirt and pants, pack my school bag, and say goodbye. The fresh morning air fills me with energy as I walk toward the bus stop. Birds are singing, children are walking to school, and the bright sunshine makes the day feel wonderful. Soon I meet my friend, Mr. Rehan. We chat about our plans for the day while waiting for the bus. When the bus arrives, we find seats near the window and enjoy the beautiful view on the way to school. At 8 a.m., I arrive at school and greet the principal politely. The playground is full of happy students laughing and playing. Their cheerful faces always make me excited to start teaching. Inside the classroom, I arrange the chairs, place my books on the desk, and warmly welcome every student. Good morning, everyone. I say with a smile. Good morning, sir, they reply happily. Today's lesson begins with an interesting story. The students listen carefully as I introduce new words, explain their meanings, and use simple examples from daily life. They repeat every sentence after me, and I gently correct their pronunciation. Whenever someone answers correctly, I clap for them and encourage the whole class. Watching their confidence grow makes me proud. During break time, the students enjoy snacks and chat with friends while I relax with a cup of coffee and prepare for the next lesson. In the afternoon, we practice writing, reading, drawing, and speaking through fun classroom activities. Every student participates, even the shy ones, because I always remind them that making mistakes is part of learning. As the school day comes to an end, I say, "See you tomorrow." The students wave goodbye with smiling faces. Although I feel tired, my heart is full of happiness because teaching is my passion. When I return home, I enjoy a cup of tea, prepare tomorrow's lessons, and spend some time reading English books. I believe learning never stops. Every day is a new opportunity to improve ourselves. Thank you for listening to today's story. If you learned something new, don't forget to practice these sentences every day. Small steps lead to big success. See you in the next lesson.